Hi solar companies, I'm Bill from EnergyBin. Today I'm here to give you tip number 9 from our series, 10 tips for buying wholesale solar equipment. If you're feeling a bit intimidated about wholesale buying because you're afraid you can't resell the minimum order quantity, then listen carefully. Our tip is for you. Don't buy in bulk unless you're confident you can resell your inventory. The last predicament you want to fall in is to be stuck with inventory that you can't sell. Although you receive significant discounts when you buy wholesale quantities, the purchase is still a large investment. You'd only want to tie up cash in inventory if you knew you could turn it over in a reasonable time frame. What exactly is a reasonable time frame? Well, it depends on economic conditions. So long as the product is retaining its market value, you're safe to hold on to it. Oftentimes, however, cash in hand is more valuable than inventory. That's our website buying tip for today. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tips and resources about buying and selling solar equipment. To learn more about EnergyBin, the B2B solar equipment trading community, visit our website or give us a call today.